Okay, 1, 2. 2 more.
Andy is a strong woman. She's a strong woman, and you know the Lord gives his hardest battles to his strongest soldiers. No, so she's okay. We were there. If whichever you are,
yes.
No. So we were there, and I think it helped that we were there. Kasi the greatest love family is not just a family on a set. We are a family as a whole, whether on camera or off camera. I'm not sure if I can share the details because it's not my story to tell. And I want to give that to Andy because that's her privacy, no? But for anything, Andy is a human being. She gets hurt, and I think the best thing lang is that Andy is such a good mom that she only cares not about what other people are thinking about her, but she cares about what other people are going to do or how it's going to affect Ellie. Lagi ko siyang kasama for some reason, no? And she never changed. Bata pa hanggang ngayon, even more stronger now because she's a mom. You know how motherhood makes you, such a superhero. So, ang galing lang because nung nalaman niya yun, ang unang instinct niya was to think about Ellie. Si Ellie ang una niyang inisip. Si Ellie, una, hanggang huli si Ellie lagi inisip niya.
Kahit anong mangyari kay Andy, kahit anong issue na yun about Andy, nandito kami para proteksyonan siya, para protektahan siya at sila para pakita namin suporta na mahal namin yung bata. Wala, nag-uusap lang kami, dalawa, pero bilang nanay, bilang alam mo yun, kung ano man yung mga isipot ni Andy, hinahayaan ko yan sa kanya. Basta ako, nandito lang ako para supportahan si Andy because I love her. Pagdating sa set, nakikita ko kung ano yung Andy ay. Oo, mabait na bata, maniwala kayo sa akin.
Mi hermano.
Ernest Ojo.